Hello everybody, this is Nathan once again coming to you from IBIX North America, and in front of me today you're going to notice I have the Easy Blast 6. We're going to go through a quick introduction of this machine, what it's great for, why people love it, and without further ado, let's hop right into it. When you buy one of these machines, it's going to come equipped with a 20-foot hose, your standard gun, and of course your filling funnel. Now this brings me to the fact you can fit any kind of media in this machine that is in between a 30-60 mesh all the way up to a 275. That means baking soda, garnet, crushed glass, and any of those other medias that you guys have come to know and love. Has the filtering funnel right here so that whenever you guys have some particles you don't want getting into the machine, this will capture it and make sure it doesn't go into that machine. You definitely don't want that. Now, people are using this machine for a plethora of different jobs actually, whether it is woodworking, antiques, remediation. The remediation industry loves these machines here because they are so easy to plug into your compressor, pull the trigger, and begin blasting. Just like all of our other machines here, you can actually opt for a nozzle kit that you'll see right to my right here. Now this just comes included with a bunch of different sizes of tips on the gun right here. This will change the amount of media that's flowing through the tip, in turn giving you a little bit more pressure and a little bit more harder hitting connections whenever you're firing the machine, popping off some of those harder coatings. Or you can make a little bit wider nozzle. That just means more media is going to be flowing out at any given moment, and that's actually going to give you a little bit wider of a spray pattern. Now if you guys want to hop in and do a little bit of training with me on these machines, or maybe you guys just want some more information, please feel free to reach out at 727-322-4611, or you can email us at sales@ibixusa.com. It's been a pleasure speaking with you guys today. Thank you very much for watching, and let us know what we can do for you. We do offer financing for every piece of equipment here at IBIX, so feel free to ask us how. Restore, maintain, protect. Made easy with IBIX.